Welcome to Renita's Cookhouse. Today I will prepare Kalo Jeera Muri or black cumin puffed rice. This is a family recipe. I'll show you how I make it. This snack is easy to make yet tasty and filling. It can revive soggy puffed rice and make it crispy again. Kalo Jeera Muri with a cup of ginger tea during winter or monsoon is heaven. If you like the recipe, then hit the like, subscribe and bell icons to get more new recipes from me. The ingredients we need are puffed rice 2 cups, black cumin or kalo jeera 1 teaspoon, sliced onion half large, grinded ginger 1 teaspoon, grind it in mortar and pestle or hamandista, red chili 2, curry leaves 15, dry or fresh, peanuts whole or broken half cup, mustard oil 2 teaspoon, refined oil 2 tablespoon. Heat about 2 teaspoon of mustard oil and 2 tablespoon of refined oil in a pan. Mix them and bring it to fumes. Roast the peanuts in oil till golden brown in medium to high heat. Take it off the pan and keep it aside. Break the red chilies into small pieces and then add them to the oil. Add the black cumin as well. Saute them in low to medium heat till golden brown and a nice aroma comes out. Add the ginger. Saute in low to medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the curry leaves. Saute in low to medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes again. Add the onion slices. Saute in medium to high heat till onion is light brown. Add the peanuts and puffed rice. Mix them well. Saute them together for 3 to 4 minutes in low to medium heat. Taste it and add whatever is required. We can also add salt and chopped chilies. I've not used salt because the puffed rice already contains salt. I'll have it hot with a cup of masala tea. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.